In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide Gmail side panels. If your inbox ever feels cluttered or you want a bit more space to focus, toggling Gmail's side panels is a quick way to clean up your view without changing anything important about your messages. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and let your inbox load. You'll see two side areas that can be shown or hidden. On the left is your main navigation, where you'll find things like inbox, starred, sent, drafts, labels, and chat or meet sections if you use them. On the right is the add-ons panel, which usually includes shortcuts to tools like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks, plus any other integrations you've enabled. We're going to toggle both. Look toward the top left corner of the Gmail window for the hamburger icon. It looks like three horizontal lines. It sits near the Gmail logo and above the list of labels. When the left panel is expanded, you'll see full names like Inbox and Starred. When it's collapsed, you'll see a slim column with icons only. Click that hamburger icon once to hide the left panel. The navigation collapses into a narrow strip, giving your message list more room. Click it again to bring the panel back, restoring the full list of labels and sections. This toggle is instant, and Gmail usually remembers your preference in that browser. So the next time you open Gmail on the same device, it often opens the way you left it. Now let's manage the right side. Move your eyes to the bottom right area of the Gmail window. You're looking for a small arrow control that shows or hides the right side panel. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a chevron or a show side panel style icon near the bottom. Click it to hide the right panel and free up more space for your emails. Click it again to unhide the panel so you can quickly access Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. If the panel is hidden, you'll usually see a slim vertical tab or an arrow you can click to reopen it. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see the right side arrow, your window may be too narrow or already collapsed. Try making the window a bit wider and it should appear. On very small screens, Gmail may automatically hide one or both panels to prioritize your inbox. And remember, hiding panels doesn't remove labels, add-ons, or messages. It just adjusts what's visible on screen. That's it. Open Gmail, use the hamburger icon to toggle the left panel, and use the arrow at the bottom right to toggle the right panel. With these two quick controls, you can instantly switch between a spacious, focused inbox and a fully featured workspace whenever you need.